I'm starting this off because I can keep my introduction short. I don't need a long introduction. I just want to remind everyone that during my campaign, if not the first, certainly the second, behind public safety was infrastructure. People complain and know we can do better with our streets and our infrastructure. I'm here this morning to let everyone know this is the new beginning. We're not going to tolerate broken infrastructure, whether it's our roads and streets or our drainage. We're going to fix Houston. That's what the public expects, and they have a right to receive. So I'm here this morning. I could be at 100 places as mayor of Houston this morning. I'm where I want to be and where I need to be to thank the Metro Board, its staff, our public works, each of you that are here, the workers that are behind me, that have already begun the repairs and constructions. Westheimer, one of our most heavily traveled, certainly the 82 bus line is one of our heaviest, if not our heaviest, is getting our attention. I came down Kirby from downtown Houston. Between San Felipe and Westheimer is in bad shape. I actually told the staff, remind me to mention this to Metro. What we're having in this new beginning is a collaboration between Metro and the city of Houston. We will be working with the county. Tom Ramsey, our county commissioner, said, I will split the cost of fixing the streets and roads in my precinct with the city of Houston. That's what I campaigned on. That's what we're following through on. I need your help. I need the press to let Houstonians know this is a new beginning, a partnership. It's cost effective. We're going to have bus shelters all the way between West Loop and downtown. We're going to have sidewalks, pedestrian crosswalks. It is a new beginning of fixing Houston's infrastructure. With that said, I couldn't be more pleased with Kathy Hahn, Pastor Preston, Elizabeth Brock, first Hispanic Latina, future of Houston. We're so proud to have that leadership. Councilmember Huffman, who proudly represents her district. And what we're doing is, and I'm going to close because I'm getting worked up, we're listening to the residents of Houston. That's the bottom line. I said it during the campaign. Metro needs to listen to the residents. The city needs to listen to the residents. It's on demonstration this morning. This is a demonstration project of how we listen to Houstonians. They want to fix their streets and drainage, infrastructure. They want public safety. I'm here today to declare this is a new beginning. Let's go to work. At this time, Elizabeth Brock, longtime public servant, working in my Senate office, learning that we listen to the public and we use our funds in a very efficient, cost-effective way. Elizabeth, thank you for your leadership, and I'll yield to you at this time. Thank you, gentlemen, every one of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor, for your remarks. And thank you all for joining us for this celebration and this much-needed collaboration that prioritizes the public's best interest. We're here today to kick off this project that will repair the hazardous streets and improve bus shelters and sidewalks along Westheimer Road. The construction that began in April will enhance our customer experience by repairing the lanes on a 6-mile stretch on Westheimer from 610 Loop to downtown. We'll have 50 new bus stops and sidewalks and curb ramps. We'll improve 17 high ridership routes. And as part of Metro's Boost, which includes improvements of more than 19 miles along Westheimer route. At this time, I'd like to also recognize our community leaders and partners that are present in attendance today. So we'll start with Councilmember Mary Huffman. Thank you for being here. Freddie Guerrera and Luis Guadalajara from County Commissioner Leslie Briones' office. Spencer Gutierrez with Councilmember Lizzie Fletcher's office. Peyton Archie with Congressman Wesley Hunt's office. I'd like to also recognize our board members that are present, Judge Hahn and Pastor Preston. Also like to recognize our president of our firefighters union, Marty Langton. Thank you for being here. The Metro Board and I are proud to support the mayor on his ongoing promise to make Houston a better place to live, work, and play. Today highlights Mayor Whitmire and Metro's commitment to being a more useful mobility system and our ongoing commitment to be the Metro that customers choose to use. This is just the beginning of our joint work of delivering a safer, cleaner, and more accessible service. We are committed both to our customers and to their community that interacts with the buses on their daily commutes. We're committed to taking a common sense approach to fixing this and other projects. You see, the original plan was for Metro to put a Band-Aid on the bus lane and have the city come back a second time and fix this project. Our revised plan eliminates the need for a second disruptive project. We accelerate the safety of this corridor, and we eliminate the need for repaving additional lanes at a later time. Or simply put, we will now improve this busy street for the long term with the least amount of disruption to commuters caused by construction and with less taxpayer dollars. Once again, Metro is committed to increasing ridership by providing a safer, cleaner, and more reliable and accessible public transit system that people choose to use. And we are excited to get to work on this program. And as we stand here today, our community needs are growing and evolving, and so should Metro. We look forward to sharing with you our exciting new plans to meet customers' needs where they are and to diversify our services through technology. We are very interested in delivering a Metro Now plan and new initiatives to meet our customers where they are. So stay tuned for more. Thank you.
Go ahead on three. 1, 2, 3.